We've now found a target planet that could be suitable for human colonization, Proxima b. But its distance from the Earth, 4.2 light years, is a staggering 25 trillion miles, far beyond anything we've reached with a spacecraft before.
Getting to Proxima b is only part of the problem. Although we think it has similarities to Earth, it is very unlikely to be exactly the same as our current home. The crew may have to adapt to life in a very alien world. They will also need to find water, grow food, and use the planet's natural resources to build a successful new civilization.
If the planet we are able to reach has no breathable atmosphere, they won't last long. Thankfully for our explorers, engineers have been working on a solution. This is Biosphere 2. In 1991, 8 people lived inside these glass domes in the heart of the Arizona desert for 2 years. The structure was built as what is known as a closed loop, completely sealed from the outside world. Everything the humans needed was provided by the plants. By photosynthesizing, the plants produced oxygen and removed carbon dioxide. They recycled water for drinking, and the edible plants provided food. Biosphere 2 is now used as a huge research facility for scientists who recreate and study the Earth's various ecosystems. In the miles of tunnels that sit underground beneath the greenhouses, Biosphere's director, Dr. Joaquin Ruiz, gives Danielle a behind-the-scenes tour.
All these things that you see here to your right is all the air cooling and heating that's required to keep the place alive. And that's the stainless steel that is underneath the whole biosphere so that there's no interactions between the soil and the biosphere itself. So the thing was sealed from the top and it was sealed from the bottom. And this is what it takes to cool the whole thing.
But there's no way we could actually take all of this to Mars, though, is there?
Well, you can't, but you have to take something similar. Because if you're going to be in another planet, you're going to have to deal with its atmosphere. You're going to have to deal with your growing plants. So yeah, something like this, or at least the concepts that are in here with different materials that aren't as heavy and so on, you would have to take.